I mean, I like it because I can control this all with one hand and record with my other hand. It doesn't move too much. Again, one-handed. This is what I love. What's up, everyone? Beautiful day over here, and just going to Home Depot for some shopping. I'm going to grab a sawzall. Now, there's two kind. I'm obviously gonna grab the older generation because it's cheaper. It's a heck of a lot cheaper, and I also gotta grab the blades as well. So I'm not gonna be spending a lot of money. I cannot afford it. So let's go. I'm just happy no more mask. I feel so troubled wearing it. So right here we're in the Milwaukee section, looking for a sawzall. So it's kind of like this, but this is the M12 fuel version. It's expensive nonetheless. Handheld sawzall. So they have it over here. This is the M18 fuel version. Now I want to get something like this, the sawzall that's the older version. I might just grab that one then. I might just grab this one. So it turns out the one that I want, they don't have it. It's the one-handed one. So I'm gonna have to order it online, and I'm gonna put this one back on the shelf. But let's take a look at some blades. So these are 24 bucks for 5. They have the wood, all-purpose, and metal, as well as some of the smaller ones they're both for metal. $118 for just a small battery. That's insane. But yeah, I'm gonna order it online.
Please remove your card. Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
So I finally got it. Got the Milwaukee right here. It's right now it's only got 2 bars, and it's probably even less than that. So let's put this to the action. We'll just start off by cutting over here. See here how it does. It's not much. You can see the thickness. That's gonna kind of chop off right there. I mean, I like it because I can control this all with one hand and record with my other hands. It doesn't move too much. Again, one-handed. This is what I love. And how much battery I got left. But whatever. Bam, yeah. Milwaukee, baby. Bam. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. That's what I love, boy.